Right, so today we're going to be concentrating on finishing tiling, and hopefully we'll get to fix ridges as well. They will be dry ridges, which means obviously we'll be fitting it with fixings rather than cement. So I used cement only on the copings, and also I've used cement in cementing in flashings because some of the holes were quite big, so the actual sealer wouldn't be good enough, because in some I couldn't even put clips because so wide they were. So hopefully we'll get it done today, and we'll see how we get on, because I got still some tiles to get up, but yeah, should be able to finish it. I don't see a reason why not. And then the roof is complete, and lastly we'll clean the roof and we'll put patination oil onto lead, and that will be it really. So yeah, oh yes, and lastly, once we've done all the tiling, we got lead to fit there where our wall meets chimney, so lead flashing, and same on the other side. And also we'll put one on there on the ridge, because this side, as you can see there, that side there is not fixed. I won't be able to fix it because how it all work out. So, and the lead will basically be pushing it down on the side and also weathering in that top corner. So we're gonna have same lead there. So in 3 spots we got to put lead. So what I'll do, I'll start getting tiles up and then we will carry on tiling it. So yeah, hope you're enjoying it, and I'll catch up with you in a bit. Right, so just to catch up, where we are, we're nearly done. Got a few bits of lead to put on, and I just want to show you what we're doing here. So as you can see, the dry ridge kit doesn't, that banding doesn't come far enough, so it just covers like 60 mil of tile. So we extend it to 150 right there. So we'll just put lead and we'll create it like hooks. So we'll join our lead over. You want to join it at 150 lap, and so you're going to be doing 2 jobs. These clips will be holding our lead so it doesn't slide down, and also it will be clipping or clamping the lead just so it stays in the position. So with your lead, when you do flashings, you don't want to be more than 1.5 meters long, just for expansion and contraction, which will happen due to weather changes. So yeah, that's what I wanted to say. That's what we're doing, because and we also had to drop the batten down, so because that batten being higher, it pushed this even further up. So there's literally, and you can see it doesn't really, either because of weather, doesn't really want to be, it kind of sticks, but I'm not too confident that it would stay. So that's why we're gonna dress it with lead, like a lead flashing, and then we'll put ridge on top and screw in. You still get your etc coming through. So, and we fitted obviously soffit or fascia vents as well, so that should deal with airflow. If it doesn't, then we'll just fit the tile. So, but I'm confident it will be okay. So yeah, so we're gonna crack on with this, finish dry ridge kit, and then we got one flashing to put there, 3 flashes left, one on the other side of that dropping stone, and then on the front same thing. And so then we'll just make sure we clean lead as good as we can. We oil it so it stays looking good for longer and is sealed. And yeah, and that will be it, and I'll catch up with you soon.